Ready when you're ready.
No, go closer. I wish you for Sabre, baby, I had no insurance and montage. Can you hear me about Febi? On also, about church and Yama or Motomu. Now, fair man for one near Air Coso. Hello, sweetheart.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Onyinyechi Emenike, and this is my colleague, Mr. Adekoya, Imbola Adekoya.
Okay, I want you guys to tell us what you have.
Okay.
Tell people what you have.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. So we are Tabista Protect. We are an insurance broker. We basically create awareness, and we also sell insurance services. We sell services such as life cover, critical illness cover, income protection, private medical insurance, home insurance,
Then you-
mortgages,
Talk.
accident cover, yeah, whole lot.
Okay. My sister.
Yes.
Okay, you also
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you add some.
Okay, so as my colleague have said, we are into life insurance, income protection, and what we want to do is to make everybody to be aware of what insurance is, because it gives you that peace of mind at the time when the event happen. And we are reaching out to our community to look into the idea of getting insurance for themselves, not just as something by the side, but something that is of necessity, because it goes a long way. We don't want our community to depend on friends, family when the event happen, or fund me ideas, that is going around now. Why don't you just take a life cover that will protect your loved ones? If anything happens to you, you know your loved ones are covered. And also, in case there is a terminal illness, you can claim on your insurance and use it as you like on what you need to sort out before anything happens to you. Also, income protection is so useful. A lot of people know that there is nothing we can do in this world without income. So why don't we come around and protect our income? Let's come around to protect the income that you are earning. Income protection will give you a monthly salary that you can use to take care of your bills when the event happen. When the event happen, you get a monthly income to so that your bills don't get piled up, and you can also use it for any other thing that you need it for. And lastly is the one we call life and serious illness cover. A lot of people are being diagnosed with illnesses. If that's happened to you, you'll be able to get a lump sum of money to go and take care of yourself. With these few things that I've said so far, you'll see that it's of great benefit for you to have insurance in place. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Sweetheart.
Hi.
You add some? Are you going to add some?
Absolutely. There's always more to say when it comes to do with insurance.
Okay, then let's go.
It's about safety. It's about financial security. Like there's a story that we always put out there. It's like learning how to swim. When you're learning how to swim, you go with a floater, because it gives you this level of confidence that even if I get to the deep side, that I'm not going to drown. So that is what insurance is. Insurance gives you this confidence, because life happens. There are things we don't control. You can't control sickness, you can't control accident, worst case scenario, you can't control death. But when you have insurance in place, there's this level of confidence that it gives you, that if I find myself in any of these unplanned circumstances, that my family is not going to suffer for it. I'm not going to experience any financial loss. It just gives you that peace of mind, and that's the awareness we are trying to create. That's what we are trying to sell to, not just to people in our community, to everyone as well, because everybody knows.
That insurance about our working place.
Yeah.
Like if I'm working,
Income protection.
yes, that one. People don't know, so I want you to explain that one more.
Absolutely.
If my sister explain it, you add some.
Okay, cool.
Because people don't know that when you're working,
Yes,
you
yes.
can do insurance to cover that your work. In case you're sick or something happen, insurance can pay you. It's not like that.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay then.
So with income protection, like she said already, it basically protects your income, as the name implies. If you're unable to work due to sickness, accident, or injury, if you find yourself in that situation, right, insurance pays you a certain percentage of your salary, not 100% of it, a certain percentage of your salary.
Okay.
You know, pending when you recover and go back to work.
For example, if I paid 2,000 a month, how much are you going to pay me?
So that's what we cannot say exactly, because there are a lot of things that determines your premium.
If I can add to that, at least you get 60% of your annual income before tax. The minimum is 60% of your annual income divided by 12 that will be paid by the insurance company on a monthly basis.
Okay. All right, let's go. I want you to give your contact where we can. Somebody want to do that insurance, you can get your contact.
So we have our contacts. So you can call my number 079-188-93195. I'll call it again, 079-188-93195, and my colleague's number is.
Okay, you can call Abimbola on 07818017754. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Say your number again, because even me, I didn't hear.
Oh, okay. My number is 078017754, and my name is Abimbola.
Okay, do you have any website or?
Yes, you can go to the company website, but that's the company website. You probably might not see our details.
Okay.
Yeah.
What in case somebody is not living in UK here?
Yeah.
They live in Canada, US, France, Germany. They want to do that insurance. Is it possible?
So it's only for people that reside in the UK. So it's
for now.
Yes.
But
if you live here and you have your bank account here and you have your GP, you're registered with a GP here, but you still travel overseas and come back, you can still do insurance here as long as you have your GP record and your bank account in the UK. You can do insurance. But if you're a resident outside of the UK, you don't have any of those things, you can't do insurance because we're just strictly for UK residents.
Okay. I want you to say hello to your fans. Greet them and say hello to them. Then after you, we go to our sister.
Hi everyone, hi my family, my friends, my loved ones, and Tavistock, and all insurance lovers. In fact, everybody should be an insurance lover because everybody should be out for financial security and family protection. I always tell people, what is protection without insurance? If you say you love your family and you're not protecting them, I don't know what kind of love that is. So if you're a family lover, you're my friend. Then you're an insurance lover as well. So do the right thing, protect your family, secure your future. Thank you.
I want to say a big shout out to all our clients that we have presently. Every client that has taken something with us, taking something with Tavistock, a big shout out to you guys there. We wish we are calling on every other person who hasn't taken up anything yet to please come. Our friends, our loved ones, our family members, everybody needs insurance. Pick one up today and you'll see that it's going to be something that you will be able to use in the future. It is what we say, the only direct debit that you can call on when the need arises. It's only the direct debit that you can call on when the need arises. Every other direct debit flies away and you cannot take them back. But if you have an insurance and you have insurance cover, you know that that direct debit is not a waste when the event happens. If the event happens at any point in time within the time period, at any point in time that insurance is still in place, it is the direct debit you can reach out to. Thank you everybody. Thank you for this program. A big shout out to the organizers. everybody that is here to to see what is being done here. We say hi to every one of you. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.
Bye.
I think we tried.